Hello guys, good evening. You are welcome to my YouTube channel, the SPC Tutorials. As you all know, my name is Tutor Joseph. Please, as you watch this video, endeavor to subscribe, like, share, and comment. In today's video, we shall be solving more questions on speed, velocity, and what? Acceleration. Like specifically velocity time graph. Okay. Now we've solved lots of. This is part 2 of this topic, and we've solved lots of questions on this topic. But this is what the segment, which is the final segment for the topic. Now we have a question about it. The question says a car starts from rest at a checkpoint A and comes to rest at the next checkpoint B, 6 kilometers in 3 minutes. It has its first uniform acceleration for 40 seconds. Its first uniform what? First uniform acceleration for 40 seconds. Then a constant speed is brought, is brought to rest with uniform retardation after 20 seconds. Sketch a velocity time graph. Now looking at what we have here, the distance, kilometers, we have to convert to meter. That is to multiply, we have to convert to meter. That is to multiply by 1000, and in minutes we'll multiply by what? 3. Okay, so um okay, so what do we have? Let's take it now. Velocity time graph, you have it to be like this. You say the car started from point A to point what? B. These are checkpoints. Start from rest at a checkpoint A and comes to rest at this point. Don't forget 6 kilometer. This equivalent to what? 6,000 meters. Then 3 minutes is equivalent to what? That is 3 times what? 60. 3 times 60, and that will give you what? 180 second. All right. Has its first uniform acceleration. First uniform acceleration, which is this, for how many seconds? For how many seconds? 40 seconds. Then a constant speed, and is brought to a rest with a uniform retardation after what? 20 seconds. Now this question is confusing. It has retarded after what? 20 what? Seconds. Don't forget, it was at rest that it came to rest. Okay, at rest it was 180 seconds. So you write here 180. So it was brought to rest. It was retarded for, that's after 20 seconds, which means that here will be what? 160. Because after, which means that 160 plus 2, you have what? 180. All right, so it was this second or time it's used in coming down. All right, that is after 20 seconds. That is 20 plus this, you have what? 180. You have 180 seconds, and here you have what? 3 minutes. You have to convert to what? Seconds. So here is what? The velocity, which is really meter per second, and here is the distance. So this, we are calculating for the speed. This place is the speed of velocity. They said calculate, yes, maximum what? Speed. All right, don't forget distance is equals 1 over 2 a plus b height. Okay, so the distance now is already what? 6,000. 1 over 2. Then a, which is we have a plus b, so which means this is going up. That is 40, like this. 180, 160 minus 40. 160 minus 40, that will be 80, 100. that is 120. I'll have 120 plus 180. This place is 0, right? This resting place is 0 plus 180. Then the height is what we are looking for. All right, the height, which is definitely the speed. That is distance, right? Distance. You know that speed is distance over what? Time. So in doing that, I'll have, okay, this times this is 12. That's 1, 2, 3 equals this plus this. That should be 300s. Divide both sides by 300. So S is equals this equal to this into this. So 3, 4. So I have that the speed now is equals 40 meter per second. This is what? The speed. So that is what you have it to be. 1 over 2. The A is this minus this, and you know that these two lines are parallel. This is what? A trapezium, so they are parallel. So this minus this, I'll get what? 120. Then this minus this, I'll have what? 180. So this plus this is what? 300. Then this times this is what? 12,000. So divide both sides by 300, I will have what? 40. So which means that the maximum speed is what? 40 meter per second. All right. Now the next one is what? The retardation. Don't forget, retardation is going to be 40. That is 0 minus 40, right? 0 minus 40. Thanks. You know that u, retardation, u in acceleration, u is what? 0. All right. In retardation, v is what? 0. All right. So which means that we now have that 40 minus 0 minus 40 over what? 180 minus 60. 180 minus what? 60. So A is equals minus 40 over 20, right? This will go into this. So which means that the retardation is equals what? Minus 2 meter per second what? Squared. All right, so that is a value of what? The retardation. Now, what is the next thing? The next thing is what is called the average speed. Now the average speed is usually total distance over what? Total time taken. Total distance. The distance was given us what? 6,000, and the time taken is what? 180. So this into this. And now that's 600. Where is the calculator, man? Okay, 600 divided by 180 or by 18. 600 divided by 18. I'll have, which means that the average speed now is equals 33.33 meter per second. What? Meter per second. All right, so that is the average speed. All right, take note of that. So at this point, we'll call it a day. Please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like I said, more videos are yet to be uploaded in the various science subjects. Do have a wonderful day.